In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website banner to your Wix blog post page. A banner is a great way to introduce your content, reinforce your brand, or highlight a call-out that you want readers to notice the moment they land on a post. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can get it done confidently. Start in Wix Studio and open the Pages pane. This shows a list of all the pages in your site, including your blog pages. From here, go to your blog post page. Give the editor a second to load the layout. You're looking at the design that your individual posts use. It's important to note that this page is dynamic, meaning it's a template that powers every single blog post. That context will matter in a moment. Once your blog post page is open, look to the top left corner and click the plus icon. This is your add menu, and it's where you can bring new elements and pre-built sections into your design in a structured way. Inside the add menu, go to Sections, then select Banner. You'll see a range of banner styles you can choose from clean and minimal to bold and image-heavy. Pick a style that matches your brand voice and the tone of your content. If you often feature large hero images, choose a banner with prominent media. If clarity is your priority, select a layout with strong typography and clear contrast, so headings remain easy to read. After you've found the style you like, drag and drop it directly onto the blog post page. Position it where you want readers to see it first, most commonly at the very top of the page. As you drag, you'll notice alignment guides that help you place it neatly within your layout. When you release the mouse, the section snaps into place and your banner becomes part of the page design right away. And there you go. The banner is now added to your blog post page. Because this is a dynamic page, the update applies to every blog post that uses this layout automatically. That means you don't need to repeat the process for each post, and your blog maintains a consistent, professional look across the board. That's all it takes. You open the Pages pane and went to your blog post page, clicked the plus icon, navigated to Sections, selected Banner, chose a style, and dragged it into place. With that, your blog now has a polished banner ready to welcome readers to every post.